bridge into Manhattan, north 440. I'm looking at the signs. So the Goethals Bridge is in the left lane. Verrazzano has 2 lanes going to it. Goethals is in the far left. So if you look at the road markings, the far left lane goes to Goethals Bridge. These 2 lanes go to Verrazzano. I'm keeping my distance from the car in front of me. Speed's 50. I'm right on 50. I'm watching the cars up ahead, making sure there's no obstruction. Now I'm going to get into my left lane because I know up ahead I'll probably have to merge to the left. I'm trying to pre-position my car for up ahead. There's my speed sign, 50. Some more. Got a car coming from the left lane. I'm slowing up. I'm going about 25. Now look at the road markings on the left. So the left lane's ending. So I'm braking. That car had no signal. Well, because of the arrow, I know that left lane is ending. And notice how there's no lines now on my left side. So I'm just letting them come in even though they have no signal. Slow, I'm going 20, keeping my distance from the Tesla in front of me, and braking gently. I don't expect to move very fast because we're coming to a bridge into Manhattan. Speed's 50 and we're going 20. So a rush hour, this is usually what happens. So the more cars you have, the slower the acceleration, the slower the movement. Because you might not ever get up to speed. So I'm looking up ahead. No sense speeding up because I wouldn't go anywhere anyway. And that's what we call hurry up and stop. So now I'm up to 40. Remember the speed is 50. But I have my 4-second gap. If anybody wants to come over, they're welcome. Up to 45. So we're slowly gaining some speed here. Looking up ahead, traffic's still moving, some braking going on. So when you start seeing a lot of brake lights like a Christmas tree, they start lighting up like dominoes. You just slow down, take your foot off the gas, brake slightly, notifying the people behind us that we're braking. Okay, they're braking in front of me, foot's off the gas. I'm going to brake slightly because I see I'm gaining on them. Now they have an HOV lane on the left, but you have to have 3 people in the car. We only have 2, so we cannot use the left lane. So you just pick a nice speed, you move gently, still looking up ahead. Car with hazard lights on the left. Okay, starting to accelerate. I'm up to 45. 50. So that's the speed of this road. So I'm just going to maintain 50. There's your HOV lane on the left. Wondering if any of those vehicles, and there's one coming over, but notice they waited till the white lines. I'm just going to maintain 50 because that's the speed. Looking at the signal up ahead, that's saying if you have a crash, if there's no injuries, just move to the side. Little work needs to be done there. Still going 50. Nice movement of the vehicles. Okay, they have grooves in the concrete for better traction. I can see the top of the bridge over the trees, so we're getting close. I'm just coasting. If you look up the road, you can see the bridge. The Great Verrazzano Bridge. We're almost there. Notice the green sign to the right. It says exit only, and it has 2 lanes leaving. I could tell that because it had 2 black arrows. Okay, we're down to 4 lanes. If you look in the center, right above the road, there's the top of the bridge. We're getting closer. Looking to see if there's any brake lights up ahead, any obstructions. I'm reading the signs. So this is the last exit on the right before the bridge. Speed still 50. Starting to coast a little bit. There's the bridge up ahead. Still looking for brake lights. Have a good amount of space in front of me. Going the speed. Police were on the right. Reposition themselves in case there's an accident or something. Now you have 2 levels here, upper level and a lower level. We're going to use the upper level. Hopefully I'm in the correct one for it. Since that upper level sign is on the left, I'm assuming I will be on the upper level. Here comes a car over the, at least they use their signal. Look how many lanes are changing. So they did not pre-position their car. Okay, look at the orange drums up ahead. That lane's ending. This car's going to come over. No signal. Start to brake because they cut my space down a little bit. Now I'm going to start to coast. Barriers, these concrete barriers on my left, they move them 1 lane over depending on which way the major traffic goes. So this is the Verrazzano Bridge. Notice I still have the hash marks. There's the little dots. right, Hudson River's to our left, with the Statue of Liberty and New Jersey and Manhattan. We're looking ahead. Notice the writing on it. This goes to the Belt Parkway. No trucks, passenger cars only. Even though I would like to look at all of the buildings and things like that, as the driver, I have to keep my attention on the road. If I do glance over, it's a quick glance, but right back to the road. Okay, we're going to Belt Parkway East. I'm braking a little bit. All the cars in front of me have brake lights on. There's the separation. Now notice the lanes come together, but it's still solid white. So I can't change the lane here. I'm just going to stay in this and give myself a little space. Come around gently. Just coasting, no gas. Bring it back gently. Notice the yellow diamond. So this road gets slippery. Now we're going back under the Verrazzano. And this will take us east to Long Island. I'm looking up ahead. Ramp speed is 20. I'm slowing down just a little bit. Looking up ahead. It's a good little Atlantic Ocean. Looking up ahead. My lane ends. I'm going to get over to the left. And there's a lot of traffic. Not a problem. Just have to be patient. Notice the little lines on my right are little dots. It has a combination of hash marks and little dots. So because of the little dots, I'm assuming that lane's going to end eventually, or exit. Usually little dots mean that that lane's exiting, even though it's a merge lane. But if you know where you're going up ahead and what's going to happen, always pre-position your car for what's going ahead. Don't wait till you get up there, because you might not be able to change lanes. So when you have an open space, pre-position your car. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant evening. Press like or subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Safe driving.